Hi all, welcome to Devops Wonder, Devops for all. So this is for the interview questions of DevOps from the company Tech Mahindra for 3 to 10 years experienced DevOps section. So first question is what is the need for DevOps? So why we go for DevOps? What is the need for DevOps? We need to explain here. So instead of I already have the development team. So why we need an operation team, and that operation team has to be good with development knowledge. So why it is needed, that those things we need to explain. Second question is how Bitbucket is better than other players, which means when compared to GitHub or GitLab, how Bitbucket gives good performance and good security, we need to explain here. DevOps technologies interview question. So the first question is they have given a scenario. The scenario is we have given a project which is made in Java. The first question is the development team has not provided information about libraries, config files, and servers. So how we made an encourage to get all this? Probably the development team will give all the information that is needed for DevOps people. So, but in case if it is missing, what we will do? What are the library? What are the jars we are going to implement on that? What are the XML files we need to configure with that? And what is underlying server? Is it Apache Tomcat or JBoss like that? We need to make an inquiry. That is the question they are asking. Second one is after gathering all the information, how can you make a build for them? So they are expecting the build step-by-step process. So we need to explain how we create a project, how we do add all the dependencies, how we all add all the libraries, how we configure the files, how we add the server configurations, all those things we need to explain in detail. This is the question which is given for testing how strong we are in Jenkins for the same scenario, same Java project. So they are asking how the when the build is broken in an half way, what we'll do. So usually we will check for build failure, and we will make the build run after finding the failures and fixing those issues. And the second question is the team is not changed from now changed from GitHub to GitHub get a repository. So what changes will be made now? So we need to change the underlying configurations based on GitHub to Bitbucket, and the new Bitbucket repository cloning should be made for the Jenkins. That is the thing they are asking. And third one is how to connect to Bitbucket with Jenkins for each file changes. So whenever a file is changed, whenever a commit is made, then the change will automatically reflect in the build. We all know about that, but they are asking how can you make that one? So we need to explain that in detail. JD, so the JD includes good knowledge on Jenkins. They are expecting only the knowledge on Jenkins because they are not using any other tools. They are for this project they are expecting Jenkins knowledge only, strong Jenkins knowledge and basic DevOps and CI/CD knowledge. And Bitbucket is an added advantages for us because they are all building the projects on Bitbucket only. Project question. So first the question is how you handle a build failure. So this is a common question for many DevOps engineers. Usually build failure will occur. So how you will fix the build failure? So this is a common scenario in all DevOps engineers' life. So we must answer this based on our own experiences. Most probably the last commit will get failed, or sometimes the connections will not be available. So like that it will happen. So we need to explain that one. And the second question is one person from developer team commits a code recently. After that the build failed. What actions he will take? So we will inquire what kind of error is thrown in the build failure. Through logs we can check that one, and we can ask the concerned person to check what changes they are made or what the commit they made, and we will ask them to make the corrections for that particular latest code update. And the third question is I have knowledge on bamboo and Nagia, so they're asking how asking me to explain the knowledge on bamboo and Nagias. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe DevOps Wonder, DevOps for all. Thank you for watching. Thanks.